Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap the gestures and here pick system navigation. As you can see, we've got two different options. The gesture navigation is right here. And before we will set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer, because if you want to stick with the 3 buttons navigation, you can customize it right here. Unfortunately, we've got only one option, but still. Alright, so in order to set the gestures, we have to tap on this option. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for some gestures. As you can see at the top, you've got also the animation of how to use the gestures, but I'll show you later on. We can enter the settings right here and basically customize the gestures. We can decide whether we want to use the digital assistant and change the back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, and because you will be able to really know and be able to decide whether you want the back sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and you can do it from the left and from the right side also. As you can see, after swiping you will see this arrow, and after releasing the finger you will go back. And the same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. It should be a short and quick motion, just like that. You can also open the recents. Just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, but this time elongate this gesture and hold your finger here, just like that, and after releasing you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.